Yeah, so the Curt ball mount came in today, and it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be C, 1 inch. 1 inch. Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, hold on, it moved because I threw the wrench. It is, yeah, right about there. And there. Yeah. Inch and what? 3/16, something like that. Bring this down. Oh, look at that. Just a hair under. Just a hair under. Inch. Way too big to be. That does not fit on a 1 inch receiver. In fact, I'll take you out there. Watch out, puppy. Watch out, puppy. Okay. One-inch receiver. Hey, I don't need dog nose. I don't need dog nose. Turkey. Yeah, 1 inch receiver. It's a 1 inch receiver. That is. I used my caliper on this, and it's inches. It's actually like a 1 inch and 1/32. Yeah. Curt. Who you fooling? Did I get a knockoff? Is this really a Curt ball mount? I mean, and before somebody says that I don't know what I'm talking about, or that I don't know ball hitches, dude, I've got 3 down here. I've got a couple more over there. Right there's one. I've got 1 in the bottom of that bucket. There's 2 in that box. There's a whole bunch in the shed. Where's the other one at? There's another one in one of these boxes. Oh, there, right there. There's the other ball hitch. But I think there's another one in there. But I've got ball hitches everywhere. There's one on each of the trucks. Like, this is ridiculous. This is freaking ridiculous. Like, did I get like a clone or a counterfeit one? I mean, this is what I need on the ATV. Something taller, because at trailer height sits at 13 or 14 inches, and that sits at 9 inches. Damn dog. I wanted something to lift up and not, need an extension, because once you add an extension, you reduce how much weight you can put on the tongue weight, because you're bringing that tongue out. So instead of being, 25 pound on the tongue, I can only do like, I don't know, like 15 to 18 pounds. And I don't want that. But now I gotta go with this crap. And I didn't want to. But, upside is I can send this back and get $30 back. I didn't want to. But yeah, Curt, fix your sizing, and better yet, take these down to 7/8. Take these down to 7/8. That way it'll fit an inch and under an inch, and it will actually fit properly. Because I've got the ball hitch mount on the truck, and this won't even fit that. In fact, it won't even fit that, and that is an inch. That's an actual truck mount. That's an inch, and this won't fit there. So, I mean, $30, and I gotta wait to get a return on it. I mean, that's ridiculous. And I mean, all the info is right there. That's crap. So, time wasted waiting for it to show up. Money wasted, because yeah, I'll get the money back, but I gotta wait like 4 or 5 days to get it back, and that's if I can return it, local return through like the Kohl's drop off or something. And that's ridiculous. Come on, Curt, get your shit together.